Hey guys, I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop. I'm here at Nashville Needlework Market. I am here with Elizabeth from Bent Creek, and she is going to show us all of Bent Creek's newest additions to the lineup. So,
yay, we're so excited. It's been a great weekend so far. We're so glad you're here. Our first item is flares. This is a really fun thing because you can stitch one flare or you can stitch all the flares together. They're just, I call them daily reminders because we all need, I like my artwork to speak to me. And so all of these have like a little word on them, and it's like sparkle, imagine, inspire, together. This one's funny. It's a little robot that says think, 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 and then go and persevere, smile. So they're just fun little cards that you can pick up, and they're just have the design. But then there's one more fun thing is that they have a border that you can stitch either with just one like this, or you can stitch as many as you want because it's just a continuously going border. So you can stitch 1 or 5 bajillion together. It doesn't matter.
And they're quick stitches.
Quick stitches. It's a one-nighter, truly. And you can stitch it on any count. Well, it wouldn't be a one-nighter for me, but I'm not fast. You are. You stitch everything so fast. So anyway, so that's our flare set, and there's going to be 5 more. Okay. So just think about that if you want to do the big long one. So that's fun. The another thing we have is the Moonlight Berry Sampler. It's part of our berry series, and it's a Halloween one. It has little buttons you can put on it, but there's patriotic and Valentine's and pumpkin flower, but the newest one is our Moonlight Berry, kind of a haunted mansion, little bats.
And do the buttons come in the chart?
They don't,
okay.
But you can either pull from your stash or they can be ordered from you from just another button company that have sets for you, so you can go either way.
Okay.
So it's great. And then we also have over here is our sheep. So the wonderful things about these is we have one for every season, one for every holiday, and they're just fun. You can switch them out if you're one of those magnetic switcher outers, which is very fun, or you can just make your herd very big. And so we have all the 4 seasons. We have a new one. We have one for St. Patrick's Day, Red, White, and You. We just have stitching and life is good. And then we have a sheep one, which will be over here. But we were going to talk about, I'm really only half of Bent Creek. I have a sister in Oklahoma. I live in Atlanta, Georgia. And she doesn't usually come to market, which is okay. Hi, Sissy.
Hi, Marsha.
So, hi. She's really the fun one, but we're glad she's part of Bent Creek.
Okay, so we've moved to the other wall in the Bent Creek. So show me the other new items.
Every year we come out with a snow globe, and so this year's snow globe is the Snowy Owl globe. And the cool thing about zipper globes is they have 20 count linen. If you've never done linen, this is a fun one to start with. It's larger count. I can stitch in the car on zippers, and that's a beautiful thing. And it comes with all the pearl cotton you need, and it comes with this, we call them snow beads. There it comes with the beads you need for this one. So that's a fun everything you need kit. And then on this side, we have an Easter pop. We have all the pops come in for the 4 seasons, and now they come in holiday pops. So we have a Christmas one and a Halloween one, which you have, and now we have the Easter pop. So that's a fun design. And we started this new series of little houses with a flower. I heard this really cool story where you see the samplers and they have like this giant flower, and you're like, what's up with the giant flower? And so I heard from an expert that it was usually the sampler stitcher's favorite flower. And so they would make it bigger.
Oh, okay.
So we made this new series with the bigger little flowers that I love for the holidays. So that's the beginning of that. And then over here, we also have a new series. It's called the leaf flag, and we have the fish flag. My sister called me, Marcia, and she's had a stick with a leaf on it. And she was like, look at this. And I'm like, it looks like a flag on them. And she's like, exactly. And I'm like, it needs to be a design. And she said, exactly. So from a real stick with a leaf came the leaf flag, and now the fish flag. So that's our new market releases, and we're really excited.
So from all of the market releases, which one has sold the best? Or do you think it's
probably Snowy Owl? And then Easter's always an interesting holiday. It's very short, so sometimes it's a different holiday, but I love it. I have really sweet childhood memories. That's why Hollow Chocolate Bunnies, I've been giving out all weekend. I love Hollow Chocolate Bunnies. And then, so it's the pop of Easter's been fun. And then probably flares. have been exciting, new, fun thing for everyone.
And what's your favorite out of everything in this room? What's your favorite?
All the designs, or
Yeah,
just like for the
everything,
new
just-
releases. I really love Sissy's Snow Globe. I love this one only because I love the saying. So even if you don't stitch it, go look up Ralph Waldo Emerson's best day ever quote. Put it on your wall. It's a good one.
And how many years have you been coming to Nashville Needlework Market?
This is our 29th year. So we've been here a long time, and we still love it. So we've driven here from Oklahoma and from Atlanta, and we just keep coming.
What's your favorite part of coming?
I was talking to someone about Nashville, and I said, I love coming. It's a lot of work for the shops, and I so appreciate that. But we've been here 29 years. We've known people for 29 years. So we get to see you and talk to you and give hugs, and it's just, it's a community. So it's really great. Yeah.
And how can all of our customers find you? What's your website?
bentcreek.com, and then we have Instagram, and then on Back Quarter Shop, our stuff's on there.
Yeah, and we've done several videos with them on our channel.
And you get to see Sissy on that one.
Yes. So you can find all of these new patterns at Back Quarter Shop, and I'll see you soon. Thanks so much.
Thank you.